too? Do you want that too? Yeah? Which one? That one? You want some of that? I'm as quick as a cricket. I'm as slow as a snail. I'm as small as an ant. I'm as large as a whale. Yeah, eyes. Oh, kiss. Kiss. Kiss the boy and kiss the whale. I'm as sad as a basset. I'm as happy as a lark. Where's the bird? Where's the birdie? I'm as nice as a bunny. What does the rabbit do? I'm as mean as a shark. I'm as cold as a toad. I'm as hot as a fox. I'm as weak as a kitten. I'm as strong as an ox. I'm as loud as a lion. I'm as quiet as a clam. I'm as tough as a rhino. I'm as gentle as a lamb. The rhino. I'm as brave as a tiger. I'm as shy as a shrimp. Yeah, he's in the seashell. Where's the fish? Yeah, they're right there. There's a little boy. He's got a flashlight. Fish, yes. I'm as tame as a poodle. I'm as wild as a chimp. I'm as lazy as a lizard. I'm as busy as a bee. Put it all together and you've got me. Yeah. Oh, all done. Take the end. There another one. More. 5 little pumpkins. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Are you done with that? Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." Ooh, went the wind, and out went the light. And the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Cat. Cat, like Bubba. What does the cat say? What?